Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In the last one we had a pretty epic month completing the 3 passes and Everest Base Camp trek. In this episode we're heading back to Kathmandu to hang out for a few days before heading west to Pokhara and Bardia National Park. We'll pick up where we left off in the last episode on our way back to Kathmandu.
Back in Kathmandu, and due to a series of serendipitous events, we are parked up now in Temba Sherpa's house. Temba set the Guinness World Record for the youngest summit of Everest back when he was 16. Local native people of Kathmandu are the newer people, so he's going to take us out to a restaurant this afternoon, which will be good, to sample some local cuisine.
It's meant to be spicy.
Spicy.
Just arrived at the restaurant and we just had a look at the menu. Temba's just going to put a big order in for us and I've got no idea, I'm just going to eat whatever is put in front of me. It's pretty busy here. It's Saturday, so everyone's here. We'll show you the food shortly.
Eggs batter.
We're just drinking a pot of chhaang, which is fermented rice. So it's an alcoholic drink, and you can get it in different strengths. So this is first water, which is the strongest one, and it's very nice.
You know the pink momo inside the momo?
This one's buffalo.
The buffalo meat.
Yeah.
And there's also buffalo meat.
And this one's buffalo.
The meat be inside and this is mustard.
Okay, yeah. We're heading off today, finally leaving Kathmandu and making our way to Pokhara, which is about 6 or 7 hours drive to the west. So it's pretty much smack bang in the middle of Nepal. It's meant to be really beautiful. There's I'm pretty sure it's the second largest lake in Nepal, which the city is built on the side of. So I'm looking forward to that. So hopefully we can find a nice spot by the lake. It's been really nice just sort of being able to have somewhere that we're comfortable and we can relax. So it's been awesome staying at Temba's place, and even in the backyard, I have to show you, it's so beautiful. So down here there's a really nice courtyard which you don't even feel like you're in Kathmandu. And then so the kitchen's just in here, and then they've also got an office which we've been utilising while we've been here. It's been a really awesome week, so thanks for having us, Temba, you're a legend. Feeling fresh, caught up on videos, all reset, and I'm really looking forward to getting back on the road.
Hey guys. We did make a quick stopover in Pokhara and camp by the lake, though as I wasn't feeling too crash hot, we decided to keep it brief and push on towards Bardia.
We left Pokhara yesterday and drove about 135 kilometres I think south and found this spot to camp on the river. It's really beautiful. Here's the car. Morning, Mitch.
Morning.
Yeah, it's nice and quiet here. It's actually really cold here and we're like a few hundred metres lower than Pokhara. But yeah, so from here we're just packing up now to get back on the road and we're driving towards Bardia National Park. So I think we've got like about 6 or 7 hours driving today, so we've got to get a bit of a wriggle on so we're not driving in the dark when we get there. But yeah, no, it's been good. Short stop, would have been good to stay longer, but yeah, we've got to keep moving. So just give a quick rundown of what we're doing today. We're doing a full-day walking tour through the national park, which is how many kilometres? Like 14? 16?
I don't know, maybe you can
Oh. So maybe like 14 to 16 kilometres, but it's all pretty flat, so it's not going to be as strenuous as the Himalayan trekking. And there's an elephant behind me! Look how big he is! It's a safari one.
Bardia National Park is one of the largest and most undisturbed national parks in this area of Nepal, where animals like the Bengal tiger, one-horned rhinos and Asian elephants can be seen. Chitwan, the more easily accessible and thus popular national park closer to Pokhara, is known to get quite busy, so we opted for Bardia for a quieter and hopefully more natural experience.
We haven't really had any luck today seeing much wildlife. We've seen the deer this morning, but unfortunately that's been about it so far. It's been a really nice day though. The park is really beautiful. It's really clean. The landscape changes a lot. Yeah, I've had a really good day. I'm pretty disappointed that we didn't get to see anything, but there's not much we can do about it. I can't force them to come out. Anyway, we're just walking back now. They're all just waiting for me. I'm coming! We just had last little bit of hope to maybe see some elephants. So we're making a quick dash through the long grass before the sun goes down. Hopefully we catch them. Apparently there's heaps of them there, so yeah, we'll see about that when we get there. Unfortunately, the elephants have crossed. Just wasn't meant to be today, unfortunately. Maybe they just made up.
No.
Out that the elephants in Bardia aren't a myth. At the last minute before they crossed over to the other side of the river, we were able to see this beautiful big herd of wild elephants. Pretty great way to wrap up Nepal, I think.
Mission is successful. Our mission is complete.
Excited for your first border crossing?
Yeah.
Having breakfast.
Hello. Immigration? Immigration to ठीक है. What's your country?
Australia.
Passport.
Crossing and it was pretty fast on the Nepali side, but then on the Indian side probably took about an hour and a half, something like that. There was a lot of writing down of things, but we're now out of the country, and actually first time a dog sniffed through the car. Didn't find anything, of course. So we're going to be spending the next 2 days driving to Varanasi. So it's about 12 hours driving total from the border. So today we're just sort of going about halfway to. We're aiming to get to a town called Faizabad, and then we'll do the rest tomorrow. So far the traffic's looking pretty good. And you can definitely tell like straight away that you're back in India. It's just like people everywhere, cows on the road. I mean, there's cows on the road in Nepal, but like it's you're back in India.
In the last few weeks, we've noticed
Oh,
a lot more foreign people driving and cycling. So I'm curious to see what the next few months are going to be like. Even at the last place we stayed at, as soon as we pulled in, the owner said to us, "Do you want a room or do you want to sleep in your car?" Which is the first time that's happened since we left Australia. Actually, the first time it's happened on the trip. And the place in Pokhara, there was 2 French cars there. We didn't actually see the guys, but I think from here on west, there's going to be a lot more overlanders, which
should be good to swap stories.
We haven't had that really up to now.
But anyway, we'll check back in when we get to Varanasi unless something exciting happens that we want to show you. But until then, we'll see you soon.
That's it for this episode. If you haven't already, you can subscribe here on our page and make sure to hit this little button to be notified when our new episodes go up. Thanks for watching. See ya.